guest bedroom 2. The closet. Going into the third guest bedroom. This does have a slider access. With the walk-in closet and additional attic access. Going back through the hallway, this does have a pocket door. Please note. There's a bifold linen closet in the hallway. And then there's a bathroom. Full bath, cabana bath. And then walking out, and this is your view from the hallway.